So we're just trying to hide all the rows not between 10 and 100, for example, in the I column. So let's just select the whole table, right click, create a filter. Now we're trying to filter by this column in my example, so let's just click on this icon above the column, above the, yeah, at the top. Go with filter by condition and look for is not between. So we're only going to show rows that have values that are not between 10 and 100. Hit OK, and as you can see, all the rows within that range got hidden. So that's pretty much how we do it. If you want to undo the filter, just right click and remove filter, or you can go hit this icon, hit on don't hit on anyone, and just go with none, and okay. So yeah.